me and my wife, we went to a small bookshop. That was for the first time we entered that bookshop, and we found there were very less number of books there, and an old gentleman, he was sitting, and he was also reading. So I just wished him. He also smiled. Then I asked him, after a couple of minutes, I asked him, sir, how come you have so less books in your bookstall, this bookshop? He said, sir, these are for my consumption only. Then we started conversing with him. I found him very, you can say, a polished gentleman, old gentleman. He said, sir, I am retired from a bank, public sector bank. And in fact, he had taken VRS. And at that point of time, I had also taken VRS. So there was something in common. So we started talking. My wife was also with me. So we just started discussing. And then he said, sir, ये तो मेरी consumption के लिए है. सुबह मैं आता हूँ and I start reading the books. अगर if there is any sale, so that is you can say my bonus. Otherwise मैं आता हूँ सुबह और पूरा दिन books पढ़ के मैं शाम को चला जाता हूँ. So I found him very interesting. He said a couple of things which were very, you can say, I was also of the same philosophy. So that, but he gave it in some very different, gave a very different perspective to whatever we think generally. So he said one thing, कहता है कि we all know that we are going to leave this world one day, and nobody is going to take anything with us. Even the Alexander the Great, he also, his last wish was that whenever I leave, when you are taking my coffin, so my hands should be dangling out of my coffin. So everybody should know that nothing goes with us when we leave this world. He says everybody knows that. But do we realize that still we keep on continuing in our rat race throughout our life? He gave a different perspective. He said, that's fine that you don't take anything with you. But tell me one thing. Whatever you earn in your life, say X amount, do you consume that amount whenever you leave? He says that whenever you leave, at least 50, 60 or even 70% of whatever you have earned throughout your life. He says, I'm talking about a normal human being who has got a decent job and he has got a decent living. So whenever you leave this world, at least 50% will be remaining with him. So it could be in your properties, in your investments, in your savings, whatever it is. But whatever you have earned in your life, whatever have been your earnings, 50 to 60% is still there. So he says, don't you think that we overestimate our requirements? So that is why we never stop, we never draw a line. Throughout our life, we don't enjoy the life. We don't enjoy the life the way we should. And we are always worried about our next generations. We want to leave this thing for our next generation. We want to earn for our next generation. So, but what is your requirement? We don't stop at what is our requirement. I think we should know what is our requirement, and then we should draw a line. हम लोग इतना एंगेज हो जाते हैं, अपनी ऊपर इतनी बर्डन्स ले लेते हैं कि अगली सारी जनरेशंस के लिए कमाई हमने करनी है, and we don't take time off. We don't pause. Like, do we actually overestimate our requirements? If you want to give your thoughts on that.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
वो कहते हैं ना, पूत सपूत तो क्या धन संचय और पूत कपूत तो क्या धन संचय.
Perfect, perfect.
So I fully agree with you that we should live our life and there should be balance. And nowadays, what I have seen amongst my colleagues, most of them, they are taking leaves, they are going abroad and meeting their children. So it's fine because the whole life we worked so hard. Now it's the time that at this part of life, we should take care of our health, our hobbies. Like this
Definitely.
gathering is also one of the thing that we should do, like writing poetry, singing.
Definitely.
So, like I shared that first time I sang song in front of 3, 4 people.
Oh, so nice.
So, yeah.
So nice. Man.
So I fully agree with you. We should have gratitude. One day we all have to go. If we remember this thing, many of the problem will get solved.
Basically, ma'am, the point is that we when we start earning, we start working for our future generations. So there's no stopping. I mean, I think what we should give to our children is good education and good values. I think beyond that,
Yes.
it is their hard work and their destiny. So if we have
Yes.
given them good values and good education, so I think they should take care of themselves. They should
Yes.
take care. We should not bother that we have to earn for our next generation and next to next generation. And I think whatever we earn in our lives, decent earning, whatever we do, I think that's good enough that we can sustain our life for whatever age that we are going to live. And I think we should not think beyond that.
And
Rajesh, I,
Yeah.
yeah.
राकेश जी कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं.
I totally agree with what you want to convey in your message. There are 2-3 things. One is that the line has to be drawn. Is if your minimum requirements are being met,
Yes.
why do you have to be over ambitious in earning, and why do you have to be in the rat race?
Yes.
And there, I'll tell you, in every day I listen to some spiritual lecture from Sahaj Yoga, and only one sentence I would like to share with all of you from Mataji when she says कि आप लोग ये rat race में क्यों भाग रहे हो? क्या आपको हेलीकॉप्टर खरीदना है? हेलीकॉप्टर तो नहीं खरीदना है किसी को, तो क्यों पागलों के समान पैसा 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 कर रहे हो? So that is one thing. And second is that we as a parents, we are extremely worried about our children. We want to leave a very good legacy for the children, so they should not suffer. But children, जब God has sent the children, God has already made their fortune.
Exactly.
लिख के भेजा है.
बिल्कुल.
And as parents, we cannot decide the fortune or the future of our children. They will make it ourselves. So we should not unduly worry about the future of our children and get in the rat race of earning for our children, which we want to leave after.
Exactly.
That's what I would like to say.
My perspective is that once you have given your children good education, good values,
yes.
So I think they are not going to fail, and definitely they're going to succeed. So I think with money power, I don't think you can give them those values, even if you have enough of money.
Yes.
So if they fail in their education or in their values, I don't think they're going
yes.
to.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm also of the same opinion and with the same motto in life as Rajesh has shared just now. Yes, we have to earn for our family and we have to save for our children. But yes, there is we should know where to draw the line. Once they have become self-sufficient and once we have given them proper education and values, and let them find out their own way. And after that, it is our me time. We too need some me time, that some time for ours. Because in our younger days, when we are earning, and yes, we are all getting tempted to be in the rat race, because we know that we have to earn and save for the future of our children. But once that time is over, once they are become independent, then let us concentrate more, devote more time for ourselves to pursue our passion, as Rekha ma'am just now told. Yes, we have to relax.